Here we have this 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Comes with the LED headlights with the kidney grills, fog lights either side and the black splitter at the bottom. It also comes with a 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Sport caliper design in blue behind just there. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside, black mirrors with the colour-coded door handles and the colour-coded shark fin antenna. We've also got the black spoiler on the tailgate just there. We've got the twin exit exhaust to the left with the parking sensors across the middle of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the Isofix points, armrest in the centre, and we've got the vents there for the passengers. We've also got the electric windows and the door handle. Onto the front seats, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather, both of which are heated. We've also got the electric mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear, and we've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. It is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake and I'll just press the start button there. And you can see on the dashboard that we are free from any warning lights other than the fuel. Onto the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift behind. We've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity with the volume and the paddle shift behind also. Onto the main screen, you can see we have the Bluetooth media and the DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've also got the navigation, so I'll just show you the map display there. This is flickering and that's just for the purpose of the video. This doesn't happen in real life. Back onto the menu, if you go across to My Vehicle, go into Vehicle Settings and Lights, you can see that this car has an interior lighting and you can change this interior lighting from classic to sport. Making our way down, you can see we've got the heated seats on both sides with a heated rear window with the air conditioning just there. We've also got the cup holders with the automatic gearbox. I'm just going to pop this car into reverse and show you the rear sensors on the screen just there. Popping it back into neutral, and I will show you the Sport and Sport Plus and all the different modes in which this car can be driven. We do also have Eco Pro and Comfort. Making our way down, we've got the manual function with the dial there for the screen and the handbrake with the armrest. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.